for watching OptiNation Review. Before we get into today's video, check out this awesome plug from Platinum Toys.
It's alright.
Definitely get these over here and everything else over there. That's the goods.
Hey, what is up, guys? It is OptiNation Review here. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to program or add custom actions. And then in a future video, if you want me to, I will show you how to make a custom action. But today, I will show you guys how to program this Robosen Optimus Prime. Alright, let's dig right into it. I forgot, I wish the tabs right here would have been right here, because I was like, wait, where are they? But I didn't look. So it would actually be this way. Well, then again, I realize when you're holding it, it would be right up. So yeah, that's right. Anyway, let's get this thing open. I'm using one hand. There we go. So we take out our Robosen Optimus Prime. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put him on the ground first. Just so that way I can get him turned on here.
Greetings. I am Optimus Prime.
And the reason for that is so that way his legs are stiff. So that way, because when I pick him up when he's powered off, he will be very limp. So let's go upstairs. Hey guys, we're upstairs in my recording studio. So as you see, we have Optimus Prime on the table, along with my laptop. Because you need a computer in order to add custom actions when you download them off the internet. So, sorry I'm out of breath. Went up 3 flights of steps. Hold on. Alright, so first off, this little front grill cover right here Here, let me switch to the GoPro. Let's do that. Hey, what is up? So like I said, we're upstairs. You see this little front grill? So you pull this down, and there is the USB port right there that you can use to connect to a computer. And then this port right here is for the charger. And then these two are just screws, obviously. But yeah. So first of all, we have to take our trusty USB cable here, USB-A, and this is a micro USB, not a USB-C, micro USB, because that's what Optimus Prime takes, is micro USB. Sorry, I was looking at the camera when I was trying to plug it in. So yeah, you just plug that in there. And then, obviously, you just plug the other end into the laptop right there. Alright, and let me get my laptop open, and let's switch over to the laptop screen to get this programmed. Hey, what is up? So we're at the laptop. So we have to go to this PC, and then this is the drive that Optimus Prime is connected to. This is the drive. This is the Optimus Prime drive that I connected with the USB cable. So let's go in here, and let me open up a new folder. Then let's go to network, OptiNation NAS. So we're going to my server that's down in the garage. Go to home, drive, BH laptop backup, because that's where I have this stored. Optimus Prime dance. Can actually get rid of this MP4 because I don't need this. But these are the files that are required. These are the action files. Both of these files. And then 23 is just the audio associated with the action files. So just copy and go back to USB drive. And this is the root of the USB drive. And then just paste. I'm using Windows 11, but it's all the same. And boom, it's in there. Warning instructions. What in the world? But yeah, so now let's switch back over to the phone.
The Transformers, more than meets the eye. The Transformers.
So we are back here at the app. So now let's connect.
The Transformers, more than meets the eye. Autobots wage their battle to destroy the evil forces of the
I have to,
Decepticons. The
okay, I see what I
Transformers.
did.
Robots in disguise. The Transformers, more
I
than
have to
meets
reboot
the
Optimus
eye.
Prime to get him out
The
of USB mode.
Transformers.
That's what I did, buddy.
I'm the leader of the Autobots.
Okay, let's try this again. There we go. So let's go to actions. What the heck? Oh, I think it's because I have to get...
Gladiator mode.
There we go. It's because I had to get...
The Transformers, more than meets the eye. The Transformers.
Still not showing up. Hold on. Okay, so I know what's wrong. I put the Optimus Prime the two files in the wrong location. So let's cut them. You have to put them into the action folder. That was my bad. So once we paste them here, they'll go there. And then we'll stop recording and... Alright, so we're here back at the app. I have Optimus Prime down there. He's turned on, as you can see by the lights right there. Let's reconnect really quickly.
Connection complete. The Transformers.
Actions. Come on, camera. Kind of see where it says Optimus Prime Dance. Tap on that, click on OK. And that's how you install a custom action from the internet. So yeah, thank you everyone for watching. My very first programming, well, not programming, my very first how to install custom action video for Optimus Prime. I hope you enjoyed it. There were some mistakes that were made, but we're all human. Anyway, guys, this is OptiNation Review, signing out. Have a great weekend, everyone. I'll be uploading some more videos later today. Thank you. Oh, and before we leave, let me hurry and do this for you guys.
Too long or one.
You heard him. To all in one. Anyway, guys, have a great weekend. Be uploading some more videos today. See you guys in the next one.